Is it very easy to start an e-commerce business? So answer is no, because we need to put a lots of hard works and needs to follow many steps. So in this video we are going to discuss how you can create your own e-commerce business successfully. So let's start why we are talking about an e-commerce store. Because the world famous entrepreneur and businessman and the founder of Microsoft Corporation, Bill Gates, said if your business doesn't have any internet presence, then we can't say it as business. And we have no doubt Amazon and Flipkart biggest example of e-commerce business. Guys, do you know estimated reach of e-commerce in India is 66.76 billion in 2021 and it is up by 27% as compared to the previous year. By the way, watch this video till the end so that I can show you practically how you can create your own e-commerce store within a few minutes, and I'll give you a free GPL theme for your e-commerce store. So without getting further delay, let's get started. Welcome back to all of you on my channel. This is Samiruddin and you are watching Samiruddin Consultancy YouTube channel. This is our 4th episode of Online Business After Pandemic. And in this video, I am going to discuss the step to starting an e-commerce business and practically show you how you can create your own e-commerce store within few minutes. These are some steps to starting your e-commerce store. Number 1. Business planning. Then, branding and marketing. Address legal and administrative requirements. Creating an e-commerce store. Basic knowledge of sales, management and marketing. Now, let's talk about business planning. Business planning is most important because it is not an industry. It is a set of planning. So, there are two types of option in e-commerce. First one is single vendor and next one is multi-vendor. If you have low budget, then you can go with single vendor, and which is basically for single type of product or services. And you can control all things by yourself in this store. While in multi-vendor store, many sellers can sell their products in a single site. It is little bit complex because you have to manage two sides of marketing in multi-vendor and you need to promote your application to sellers and buyers as well. After planning, we need to do branding. That is including choosing a business name, logo designing and book a domain name, etc. Now we need to choose our brand name. Like I have named my agency as Flappify and Amazon, Flipkart. So you need to choose a unique and easy to remember name. By the way, I have an amazing tool that helps you to decide your brand name. Let's see. Type Namelix on Google. You will find this website. This is a business name generator tool that will help you a lot in choosing your business name. Just type some keywords related to your business. Select some options. Now let's see. We have a lots of keywords related to web design business name. Many of them are free to use. After that, we need a domain name according to our business name. I prefer to choose .com. If you don't find it, then you will go with .in as well. Now let's talk about some legal documents and administrative requirements. So we need to confirm the type of the business. There are mainly 4 kind of option in India, and these are sole proprietorship, partnership firm, private limited and OPC. That is one person company. Now you can choose one of them. If you want to run a company independently, you can start as proprietorship. Nowadays, we have one more option, that is a one person company, OPC. It has compliance very similar to private limited and most suitable for one person business. While if you go with partnership or private limited, you have to take a tax ID number and need to file tax return as well. Also, you should have an EIN number, that is employer identification number. So these are some legal things that we need to know before starting an e-commerce store. Now the main thing is to create an e-commerce store. And don't worry, I am going to show you how you can create your own e-commerce store within few minutes. But before creating a website, we need a trusted and fastest web hosting provider that can give us the capacity to load thousands of products for your customers without any downtime. I have compared many providers and I have concluded that HostGator is one of the best options to launch your e-commerce store, because HostGator is one of the largest and most popular hosting company in the world. They offer Linux managed and Windows dedicated server plan, and if you are developing a multi-vendor application that has thousands of visitors at the time, then you should buy one of these plans. Otherwise, you can go with Linux shared hosting plan that will be affordable for you. So you can choose at least this baby plan, whether you want to start your e-commerce store or creating a web application, because you will get a complete package exclusively in this plan, including unlimited website with a free domain name. And because you have a good deal with this baby plan, and you can build many small stores in this plan. After growing your business, you can switch to reseller hosting as well, because it is most suitable, but it is very much costly for starting a business. Now click on buy now. Just put the domain name that you decided for your business. Now congratulations, you have a free domain name. After that, just fill the given option to create HostGator account, and then you need to put your billing informations. After that, here you can select some additional features. And finally, place my coupon code to getting an extra discount, that is Sameer. So after putting my promo code, you got discount here. Now let's complete the checkout. Now let's see HostGator cPanel. Here you will get many options like WordPress installer, file manager, Joomla and PHP versions, etc. Just change the latest PHP version. Now let's back to the HostGator dashboard and click on install WordPress. Choose WordPress latest version and HTTPS as a protocol. Write site title and set up admin and password. Then click on install. Now WordPress is installed successfully. The WordPress CMS are open now. This is the default website theme that activates by installing the WordPress. Here you will find many notifications and short links. Before going ahead, let's do some basic settings. In a general setting, you can add the website title, tagline and edit website URL. And check this box so that anyone can register to your website. Then go to reading and click for the static page. Here you can select the home page and post page. Now we have to install a theme. So under appearance, just click on theme. The theme is basically a package of templates that will specify the design of your website. So click add new and search Astra. So you don't need to manually writing HTML and CSS code. I am using a completely free theme as of now, and I'll give you a free premium GPL theme in my description as well. Just install it. Let's see live preview. It's look like there is no dummy content inserted till now. So activate it. After activating, you will see a message that you need to install some plugins to use extra starter templates. Just do that and click on Get Started. You will get 4 website page builder to edit the content of the website. You have to select one out of them and always select the Elementor because it will give you many options to design our website. Even you can completely change your site structure using it. There is also paid membership in which you will get a lot of options, and you will also get the link of the Astra Pro in my description. Now just import any of them according to your choice. So it is imported successfully now. Let's see our website with dummy content. And we have to set up main plugins for managing our product. And we have to set up main plugin for managing our products. That is WooCommerce. Just fill out general section that is required. Write address, select country, postal code and choose where you want to sell your product and where you want to ship. You can enable tax, coupon and fill out currency options. Now move to the product detail section. Here you can choose page to showing your products, set measurement according to your product and enable rating and reviews if you need it. Now click on inventory. Here we can enable stock management and set a stock limits. Add emails in which you want to get notification about your products. Now we need to choose tax information, whether prices including taxes or not, etc. Don't worry, I'll give you a video link in my description where you will find complete setup of WooCommerce because I don't want to further increase the length of this video. We need to add our shipping zone. Then enable payment method according to your choice like direct transfer, cash on delivery and PayPal etc. By the way, you can integrate InstaMojo and Razorpay after installing some supporting plugins for InstaMojo and Razorpay. Now we have account and privacy, emails where you can set email IDs from where you want to get notification for different purposes, and integration and advanced section. These are basically by default same, so you can leave it. If you want to know how to add a product in WooCommerce, just click on I button or go to the description link as well. And now if you want to change any text, any images on this website, the process is very simple. At the very top you can see edit with Elementor. Just click on it. This bar only visible for those who are the administrator of the site. So Elementor is basically a page builder and it provides a mechanism to edit any content without dealing with a single line of code. Now you can save these changes. On the bottom left corner we can see an update button. Just click on it and these changes has been saved now. Now if you want to change or update the link of this button, just right click on it and edit button in the left section. you can see a link box. Just here you can change the link, then update. If you need any kind of help, tell me in the comment section. I'll give you a free consultancy including a free premium GPL theme. Till now, we have discussed how to create an e-commerce store and how to get hosting and domain to set up your business. I hope you will get hosting and domain from HostGator before my next video so that I can show you how you can earn millions through HostGator affiliate program. Now allow me see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.